Okay, so this is the common area for Mark West Commons Circle, and we're driving down the road. The road behind me is Old Redwood Highway, and here we're approaching the property here. Okay, so this is the property here at 224, and this is what you don't see in the photographs, is that right overhead are some very big power lines. So here's the entrance here along the side. Okay, here we are at the entrance. And as we walk in, we have the kitchen to the right. Stove, microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, and garbage disposal. And then we can see the living room from here. There's a big pass-through area. There's some storage underneath the stairs. A patio out back, concrete patio. Air conditioning unit. And a little bit of a side yard. Over here is where your water heater is. Back inside. Okay, so from this end, looking back toward the kitchen, you can see you have a view here. It's a pretty spacious living room. Sliding glass door, overhead fan with a light. And it looks like there are some speakers here, probably for surround sound. There's your thermostat. Okay, here's a storage area here that's pretty good size. And downstairs bathroom, half bath. There we go. Downstairs half bath. So we have a carpeted stairway. And it looks like new carpet. New carpet upstairs. Here is the number one bedroom, which is facing the street. Has a view of the street there. Sliding doors for the closets. Hallway closet for washer and dryer. Another hallway closet. Bedroom number 2 also has sliding doors for the closet here. And also has a view of the front. And back around here, and it looks like there's a shared bathroom here for these 2 bedrooms on this floor. And then the master, which is behind and has its own master bathroom. Engineered flooring, new carpet throughout here. And then you have two sliding door closets. This overlooks the backyard. The master overlooks the backyard. See if you can see. And it also has a view of the shared common area there. So this is the view from the window in the master bedroom. This is what you see. It's a pretty good size master bedroom. So just recapping this kitchen, all of these are used appliances. I don't know if they're the originals or not, but they're all they're not new. There's none of them that are new. And it looks like the countertops are masonite.